Hi everyone, this is a quick review of Dynasty Pro Audio. So this product, I'm already have one on my subwoofer that it's working really well, and I want to have here speakers to have a 5.1. Currently I have 3.1, so I'm gonna use another set to connect my here speakers, and this will be a review and also open box and a test to see if I can have two sets of these working at the same time. So here is the box. In the box we have both transmitter and receiver, and also we have RCA to RCA cables, RCA to P2, and USB charger and cables in a quick manual. Okay, so it came with two RCA to RCA cables and one P2 to RCA, so you can use your phone. That I will use this in transmitter now. On my receiver I use those. Actually I use other cables, but you have those to use in your receiver if you want. And I'll connect everything now to make the test to see if I can have two devices in parallel. So one for my woofer and one for my ear speakers. So the connection is pretty simple. Here you have the power that comes from the USB cable included in the kit, and there is a charger also. So this is the cable, is a flat cable, what's cool. This, you have one device that's the transmitter, so you have input, and the other one is the output, that's the receiver. Okay, that's it. You just need to connect power and the RCA cables on it. So first test that I was looking for was, you can see I have one there on my woofer. The light is not blinking because connected to my receiver. This the second receiver I have, no, receiver I have, but the other side of the transmitter of that receiver is on my audio receiver, let's say, right? So now I'll connect the power of the transmitter right now. There, and I hope they sync. Yes, they did. So you see, theoretically now I have different channels going over that one and these ones. So let's test. So I'm glad to inform that works. You can see I have this one connected to my Bose, and I have the transmitter connected to my phone. Just to prove Bluetooth, I'll turn off Bluetooth here because I'm not using it. And look, it's working. And I have the other one with another sound. Right? This is my uncle. So, as we can see, I can use one of these in my ear speakers and my satellite speakers, right, to have 5.1 without being required to pass any cable from my receiver through my living room to connect to my ear speakers. I'm receiving today ear speakers that are powered, so I'll power them in the wall. I'll connect this device in the main one on both, and then that's it. I don't need any cable crossing my living room. My wife will be really happy with that, and me too, because I don't need to pass a cable over my roof, right? $100 was this. Even the cable, the work to do that would be way more than that. And I can use for my woofer, in my case I don't have space in the front because I have my fireplace there on the side of my system, so I don't have space for the woofer. So my subwoofer is in the back of my couch. So I have one device sending the sound to my woofer using the dot one output of my on-cue receiver, and I have the here speakers using another device, then without wire too, so I don't have any wire crossing my living room, nor for my woofer, nor for my here speakers. So that's amazing. Each of those are $100 in Amazon. They work well together. You can have multiple. I saw they have more than 160 channels. They out negotiate. So my only advice is turn one on, let that one sync, then turn the next one on, right? Because if you turn all at the same time, they may connect in opposite way, right? The woofer in the satellites and the opposite way. You don't want that. So turn on the woofer first, after turn on the others, and they should work well. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel please, and thumbs up to help me. Remember about the bell. If you mark the bell, you get notifications about another videos I will be doing. Have a great day. Bye.